Swipe further if you don't like vintage bikes like this, because in the next videos I'm gonna do a Restomod on this XT500. This clean workbench will be a mood board. First things first, a complete rebuilt engine. New piston, oil pump, carburetor, everything is completely rebuilt. .12 volt kit, 12-volt battery, electric starter kit, some original Yamaha parts, some bolts. Now it's time to unbox some cool stuff. Thanks to Kato for this. A short front fender. As you can see here, it's a bit shorter than the original one, so that's really cool. Some lovely black rear shocks. A really cool small muffler. Stainless steel foot pegs. Rubber socks for the front fork. Aluminium skid plate that also fits the electric starter. Custom made DNA air filter. The box with the original parts that I have to clean or modify to fit the bike. So first things first, I'm gonna put some 2-component coating over the front forks. If you like to see more from this project, you know what to do.